This elegant rose is one of my very favorite flowers to make, and I love the color pink, so I was really excited to make this flower today. This starts with 5 petals that have this curvy shape here in the middle, and I'd be happy to send you the SVG for this if you use a Cricut Maker, or the PDF if you want to hand cut it. So just comment below and I'll send you a message and can get this pattern to you. But it basically has 3 different shapes: that middle shape, and then a flat circle, and then a full circle for the outside. So I just layer the petals all around, and for this flat circle I do 3 layers with about 4 to 5 of that shape on each layer, and I'm leaving 1 flap up when I start a new layer so that when I come around the circle I can tuck it in underneath that first petal on that layer, and that gives a continuous look. Then for this very outside layer, I'm doing 6 full circles. These are 1.5 inches wide, and then I come around the back and I just add a little strip of glue at the top and pinch it backwards, and this creates what I call that elegant rose, because it just gives it that added elegant detail that is just super pretty with this style of rose. And then when I have any glue ooze out, I just take my scissors and trim that off.